In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Diablo 4 on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how you can play Diablo 4 on any mobile device, including an iOS device or an Android device. So, as you might already be aware, Diablo 4 is not available for mobile devices. As you can clearly see here, it is available for PC on Steam and Battle.net, consoles for Xbox and PlayStation, but it is nowhere to be seen available for iOS or Android. So we aren't going to be able to just download the game and run it natively. We will have to use a workaround. This workaround is going to revolve around remote play. Basically, the game is going to be running on a specific platform, and then you will be streaming the game over to your mobile device. So in this example, it is a PlayStation console running Diablo, or rather downloading the game, and the PlayStation screen is going to be mirrored over to a mobile device. As long as you have an okay internet connection, this process is going to work. So it is going to be reliant on your internet speeds because the game needs to be streamed over the internet. There are three ways to do this depending on your platform. For Steam, or rather PC, you will have Steam Link. And if you own the game on Battle.net, I'm not sure how you can go about doing this, but if it is on Steam, then Steam Link is going to work. Next, you have PlayStation Remote Play for PlayStation consoles, and finally, Xbox consoles will have the same thing, Xbox Remote Play. As you can clearly tell, all of them allow you to control a game that is running on your console or PC and stream it over to your phone. If you have a controller connected to your mobile device, you will be able to do inputs and essentially play the game on that mobile device using the controller. I'm not going to showcase the process of setting it up for every single different device because it is very similar. For PC and PlayStation, you will download either the Steam Link application from your respective mobile store, or you will download PlayStation Remote Play. And for Xbox, it seems like you have to go over to this website instead, xbox.com/remoteplay. For some reason, it isn't loading for me, but you will be able to download these applications and get instructions on how to connect them together. It is usually going to be done by connecting to the same network or by using a specific pairing code. And once it is paired up, you will see Diablo 4 on your mobile device, and you will get either touch controls or you can connect an external controller. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.